don't we, for example, have a hashtag, appoint IEBC now, and spread it? Those who have opportunity will actually follow it, and they will do something. Why is social media, why is the IEBC not being constituted? Because Azimio can't appoint their representative to the panel. Is that something to hold a country hostage for 2 years?
Sasa ni watu wangu, I hope mko salama, mnaendelea vizuri. Justice Isaac Lenaola, Justice of the High Court of Kenya, ameweza kuongea hapo. That was his voice akiongea. Anaambia wa Kenya kuna hashtag appoint IEBC. He's lamenting about ile upuzi Ruto administration ama government, which is a collaboration of Azimio na Kenya Kwanza, ambaye of course is Ruto and Raila. Hii government ya ambaye wanafanya ameiblast ya kwamba they have had so many opportunities to appoint IEBC tangu Wafula Chebukati aondoke, but they really do not want to do that. From the small audio clip ambayo umesikia Justice Lenaola akiongea, anasema why is it been 2 years? He's asking, he's explaining why is it over 2 years tangu the 5 IEBC commissioners waondoke, tangu Wafula Chebukati amalize his term, and the IEBC has not had a chair for literally that time, and the IEBC has not been in place, which then anasema it holds the country at ransom because 2027 is literally just about 3 years, which is the next general election ya Kenya. Now, without IEBC, no elections can be conducted. Now, IEBC must be constituted very well. It must be in place. Every system that they want to use must be in place way 2 or 3 years before time. So this is why people are starting to smell a rat on the government mipangos about wako na nia gani, what are they trying to do? Everybody is thinking the obvious. This is a delay tactic. Hii ni mambo ya the current government that is in place, ambaye wanataka wacheleweshe hii mambo ya IEBC until 2027 so that wapange vile watainstall IEBC just before the election, and then of course wapange vile wataiba election, and of course the successor will also be able to be supported by the same IEBC hiyo ambayo watainstall, because the IEBC team has to go for 6 years. So wakiweka 2027 just before the elections, then that IEBC team will oversee the 2032 elections, which then the next election zitaweza kuona ule mtu ambaye atasucceed Kenya Kwanza in place. But anyway, Justice Lenaola here is lamenting that the people that are actually holding the country at ransom is actually ODM, ni Raila na watu wake. He is lamenting ya kwamba because it looks like apparently Kenya Kwanza, according to what Justice Lenaola anasema, Kenya Kwanza wameshachagua, but ODM, which is literally they were supposed to be the opposition, were also supposed to choose their representatives, so that the representative of the current government and the opposition, which is the ODM, should then bring their representative, so that then these names or individuals be handed over ili waweze kukua vetted, so that then the IEBC can be installed and be in place. But according to Justice Lenaola Isaac, the Justice of the Supreme Court of Kenya, anasema kwamba ODM has not yet appointed or chosen their representative for this IEBC, which is a shame. But mimi nikiangalia, I don't think this has anything to do with ODM. I think this is a government strategy together with ODM. Wanataka wacheleweshe hii mambo mpaka wahakikishe the plans that they are trying to install in place, ile mipango wako naye ya kujaribu kuiba kura, because Ruto is not a guy that does not understand what he's doing. Ruto totally understands what he's doing, and therefore he knows the Kenyan hashtag saizi imekuwa Ruto is a one-term president, and he's going to do whatever it is, whatever it takes to ensure he's going to have his next 5 years, zile ambazo according to what people are saying kwa mtandao, those are the years that he's going to make sure that his 20th generation atapora wa Kenya mpaka his 20th generation they will never work. So if people are expecting Ruto akiingia tena in 2027 that ya kwamba he's going to allow the country to breathe, sasa hiyo hatakuwa na haja ya kutengeneza inji, itakuwa ni haja ya kujiangalia na kuangalia wajukuu wa wajukuu na wajukuu wa wajukuu 10 times kifedha. So hiyo ndio ile mipango iko, but some are saying that mambo inaweza badilika and there might be very different mipangos if whatever inatembea kwa mtandao kuhusu baba with the AU chairmanship, if he does not clinch that seat, which right now Wakenya wamekasirika na yeye, wanataka kumwangusha from every angle, which is a shame really, because as Kenyans he's supposed to be supported by Kenyans, but right now Kenyans don't want him to win kwa sababu ya what he's been doing together with the current government. If Baba does not win that AU whatever chairmanship, he's going to come back and hound Ruto because he's going to try and fight for the 7th time presidency. He never gives up. Anyway, watu wangu ni hayo tu. Say what you think about hii mambo ya IEBC. What do you think? Do you think Justice Isaac Lenaola, the judge of the High Court, the Supreme Court of Kenya, is correct? Do you think ODM should be ashamed for holding Kenyans at ransom kutokuchagua representative wao wa IEBC, or do you think hii ni mipango tu ya Raila and Ruto? This has got nothing to do with ODM. It is what probably the Kenya Kwanza regime is doing, na wanaambia ODM msichague so that tucheleweshe. What do you guys think about mipango? Are you smearing a rat on this government kuhusu strategies that they are trying to devise in regards to 2027 election? Do you think kumekuwa na mipango ya ambayo inaleta worries and anxiety ndani ya Kenya Kwanza team that they are going to be a one-term presidency team-wise, ama namna gani? Yes guys, tieni komenti zenyu, please msahau kusubscribe. And Justice Isaac Lenaola, the judge of the Supreme Court of Kenya, amesema people should follow and should spread the hashtag appoint IEBC. The hashtag is up there. Please share the hashtag. And I think if you want good for Kenya, it shouldn't be a problem. Tafadhali share your comments. Once again, msahau kusubscribe, tia comment yako, and definitely I will see you in my next video. Asanteni.